Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Spirit of St. Louis telephone, and this is Clay's equipment from Florida, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now these units are highly collectible. We want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this telephone. It does not have any power, so there is no dial tone on the speakerphone or the handset, so the unit does not work. Now we have troubleshooted some, and we know that there's 4 transistors that are bad. Now we also know that the tone generator IC is bad, and that's a discontinued IC. They were discontinued long ago. And sometimes you can get lucky and locate one, and we're going to go ahead and search. If we can't locate that tone generator IC, we're going to go ahead and move on to a PC board that we have here at the shop for parts. So out of the 2 boards that we have, the one that's in this unit and the one that we have for parts, we're going to try to make one good PC board. So we'll go ahead and see how that works out. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We're going to go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Spirit of the St. Louis telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool Spirit of St. Louis telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention that we did try to search the tone generator IC down, and we were unable to locate that IC chip at this time. So what we did was we took 2 PC boards, one that had a good tone generator IC on it that was a shop parts board, and so basically we repaired that board. So we took 2 boards and made one good board and then installed it in the telephone. So now what we want to do is also mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. Now release it. Press it one more time. And release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use our analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. Our visual indicator light for our bell is working. We can turn that light off. Then we'll turn it back on. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. We want to push flash and redial. And the analyzer will end in a 2. Now what we want to do is go ahead and store a number in our keypad. So we'll hit the flash button. That'll give us dial tone again. We'll use the store button and we'll put our number at the shop in. And we'll hit memory 1. Then we can hit flash. That'll give us dial tone. And we'll hit memory 1. And as you can see on the analyzer, it just dialed our number here at the shop. Now we want to go ahead and hang our handset up, and we're going to go over to the speakerphone. We're going to dial our numbers again. I'm going to end in a 2. I'm going to tap on the transmitter. You can see the red light. And that will depend on how your line voltage is. If your line voltage is in with standards, then you will have a good speakerphone, because this is a line-driven speakerphone. It does not have a transformer to power it, so your speakerphone is only going to be as good as the voltage on your line. Now what we want to do is check our transmit for our handset. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We're going to dial a 2. That will cause dial tone to go away, and we want to transmit into handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive, and our speakerphone option is working. We want to go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll dial that number.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, October 29th. The current time, 4:31 p.m. and the temperature, 46 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We'll go ahead and hit memory 1. That's our shop, and it'll be busy. Go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool Spirit of St. Louis telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Clay, and he can enjoy this really cool telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.